Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to use FlexClip AI text to video. So here we're on our FlexClip AI website and we're going to select the AI video generator. So right here we have some options here. We have AI text to video and article URL to video. So we're going to select AI text to video. Of course, here you want to describe the video you want to generate. So you're just going to think about something for yourself. For us, we're going to think about something brief. So we have generate a video of a soccer field during a match. Show players in action, the crowd cheering, and the referee officiating the game. So this looks like a brief description, and we can have the text style to anything we want, and then we're going to click on generate. And then you have to wait for a few seconds or a few moments. And right here you have the option to toggle on or off the voiceover. It's currently toggled on, and you have the English and the voiceover. You have the option to change the voiceover from the settings gear here, and you have some previews here that we can look at. And you can decide to change the sequence. You could take it up and replace it, or you could take it down and leave it right where it was. We could also decide to replace the media if we're not satisfied with what we have here. So we could decide to replace media. Of course, we meant soccer, but it gives us basketball. Anyway, you could spend some time describing it more here, for example. So right here, we have a better view of what we want. So we're going to select this one and we have a preview here and we're going to click on replace. Now we've replaced it, we can close this and you could do the same for the next one. So let's try that. So this looks more realistic of a goalkeeper blocking a shot, as you can see here. Great. So we're going to replace this and then close it. So you could do the same for everything you're seeing here. After you're done with that, you could decide to add it to the timeline at the top right corner of this page. You can see here, add to timeline. And now you can see all the videos that we had before are now in our timeline. And you could go ahead and make some more edits. For example, we have this black bar for our style of text. You could change it to yellow and black and click on generate again. You could of course trim some videos. You could also add a scene if you want to and split a scene if you also want to. At the top here, you have the orientation of the video, 16:9, although it's best to do this at the beginning before you start creating a video. For example, you can set the different sizes as it's going to affect what we have already. So it's best to do this at the beginning, but we're okay with 16:9. And we could also change the title here to the name that we want. And then after that, we could go ahead and click export. So this is how to use AI text to video on flexclip.com.